When you hear a fire truck siren, you should give way, but sometimes it's easier said than done.
Holy!
A sloped, icy road is the perfect recipe for an accident where even brakes won't help.
Of course, the grifter drama leftists want to come out. The people who want to come and just argue.
Before overtaking a truck, make sure you are in its line of sight.
Ну как же, есть чего. Алеша превратился в растение и живет теперь в полном соответствии с природой. Он...
An outdoor security camera is a great investment that can solve the mystery of that unexpected dent on your car. Some drivers seem too lazy to turn the wheel a bit more.
Holy!
This suspect stole a van, but his escape attempt quickly turned into a dramatic takedown, with the police showcasing top-tier skills.
What the fuck?
A free wheelbarrow full of shovels, an offer too good to pass up. First check your surroundings, then start moving, not the other way around. This is the most unexpected thing you can come across while driving through the mountains.
He's bent over a table, working on some kind of long metal patchwork, like a swap.
If you get into a road conflict, don't let emotions take over. The consequences can be irreversible. Don't put your life or the lives of others at risk. The trailer became an unexpected break for the truck. Otherwise, it probably wouldn't have stopped at all. Some drivers are so inattentive that they manage to miss an entire multi-ton tram.
They just hit your car.
At an intersection, hesitating is dangerous. Either you go or you become part of a crash. Keep a safe distance, especially when driving a truck, otherwise trouble will be waiting instead of the road. Some drivers could definitely use a double vision test when getting their driver's license. In the category of the boldest and dumbest driver, this contestant easily takes first place. When you can't stand someone boldly cutting into your lane without your permission. Judging by the spinning wheels, the thought of stopping never even crossed his mind. Always keep your hands on the wheel to be ready to react to drivers like this. An intersection is one of the most dangerous places, especially without traffic lights. It's crucial not to rush through, but to stay alert and check all directions. In this situation, I'm on the side of the car. The van rudely cut it off and caused minor damage. Some drivers seem to rely on their instincts instead of using their mirrors. A sudden abrupt stop in the middle of the road is always a direct way to cause an accident. A barrier is a great solution for minimizing risks in an accident, as it can significantly reduce speed and lessen the impact. Sometimes instead of stopping on the shoulder, a car parks right inside a store, so always stay alert. Even the smallest pothole can turn a regular drive into an unexpected stunt. If a truck is blocking your view, driving blind is like playing road roulette. He had plenty of time and distance to brake, but it seems his reaction was a bit delayed. Keep your foot near the brake. It's a simple rule that can save you from trouble. Even if you have the right of way, stay alert. Some drivers make up their own rules. In such moments, the best thing to do is just to brace yourself. Looks like he has unfinished business with the police and chose to settle it right on the road. Patience behind the wheel is like an invisible shield that will save you from accidents and trouble. This is one of the most foolish overtakes I've ever seen. Drivers like that should be banned for life.
No.
Before stopping in the middle of the road, check your mirror. Otherwise, get ready for a hit. This girl narrowly escaped disaster. Her car skidded, but with incredible skill, she regained control. Just a couple of meters separated her from a truck that could have slammed into her. While waiting for the light, you might witness action scenes like in a Hollywood movie.
So we're out of the capability.
Oh my God.
The truck driver managed to brake in time, minimizing the impact of the collision. If you can't drive, don't step on the gas.
Behind me or in front of me? Holy. Oh my God. Holy.
It seems this driver believes the entire road should adjust to him.